Now, one of the nice things about the F-150 Lariat is that we've got this power button for the tailgate. So all we're gonna do is press that button twice, and it's going to automatically power that down for us. So really, really useful. Just gonna move you back here just a tiny little bit. And the reason why is because this thing also has the tailgate step. So what we're gonna do is take a peek at how that works. It's very straightforward. So I always recommend getting the tailgate step, especially if you're gonna be jumping in and out of the back of the truck fairly frequently. Now, when it comes to the tailgate step, very straightforward. You've got a button in the back here. All you're gonna do is press. It's gonna bring the step out. We're just gonna pull. And then we're just gonna follow the yellow. So we're gonna grab this, we're gonna lift it up, lock it into place, and you're set to go there. All you're gonna do is hop on up. But it just makes it so much more convenient to get into the bed of the truck using this tailgate step. Closing it up is also very simple. All we're gonna do, same thing, follow the yellow. So we're gonna go 1, down, 2, down and in. 3, all we're gonna do is lift up. Push it back into place and you're good to go from there.